Why do 95% of automakers rely on AI for inspections? Stick around to find out. In today's fast-paced automotive industry, ensuring product quality is paramount. Enter AI-powered anomaly detection. These cutting-edge systems pinpoint defects with unprecedented accuracy. Take Dinh-Cuong's Auto Compact system, for instance. With 10 high-resolution cameras, it captures every detail, detecting flaws as tiny as 1.0 mm. This not only boosts efficiency, but also slashes inspection time. But AI doesn't stop there. From inspecting circuit boards to ensuring the perfect installation of car parts, AI is a game changer. It even checks battery components in electric vehicles, safeguarding quality and safety. Hierarchical clustering methods are another star player, identifying cost-saving opportunities by comparing component similarities. These advancements ensure that every car rolling off the assembly line meets the highest standards. AI is transforming automotive inspections, making them faster, more accurate, and incredibly efficient. The result? Flawless vehicles ready to hit the road. AI is the future of automotive manufacturing, and the future is now.